How to change Play Store country. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Google Play Store. Sign in to your account. Tap on profile icon at top right. Then select payment and subscriptions from the menu. Choose payment method. Tap on more payment settings. Now a new site will open. Select the add a payment method. Here you need to add the card credential, that is your card number, month, year, CVC, and then cardholder name. And from the billing address section, you can easily change your Play Store country. You can add any address as per your choice and tap on save at bottom right, and with that you will change Play Store country. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.